G'day, I'm Vinnie. Thanks for supporting St Vincent de Paul. Your help is making a real difference. But don't forget to donate responsibly. Remember, only donate what you'd give to a mate. Thanks again. You're a beaut.
Oh wow, girls, look, here you go. Have we got rags or riches today?
Rags.
Rags? Okay, hang on. Let's do the code.
Education and awareness is essential to address the issue of responsible donation. The use of QR codes, facial graphics, and the new hexagon shape of the bank is integral to changing perception and donation behaviour. Vinnie's message is triggered when the chute is opened. It is recorded onto a sound module and is set off by a tilt switch. When the sensors are tilted, the ball will touch the conductive sensor and turn on the sound card, giving Vinnie a voice. Photodetectors are used to measure the capacity of the banks. The transmitter will send an infrared beam across the bank to the receiver. If the beam is broken by clothing, it means it has reached this capacity. I used Fusion 360, a CAD program, to create the protectors for the photodetectors, which I then 3D printed. The capacity of the banks will be measured at levels of 50, 75 and 100%. This data will be sent to the operation platform, which will be updated after every donation made. It will appear as either a 0, indicating the level has not been filled yet, or a 1, if it has. This data will be sent via the GSM to the charity operation platform so the organisation can be more efficient in its collection process. This is a schematic drawing of the GSM circuit board, showing the connection of the speaker, solar panel, antenna, battery and photodetectors. It shows the connection source of power through the symbols out, VCC and ground, and the frequency each piece of technology needs. Coding was a vital and challenging part of the process, as it's something I've never done before. I used Particle Integrated Development Environment to code the firmware application with the support of Terminal to interact with the GSM board, such as uploading the firmware. This was all done in C++ language. I used this for my two devices, Rags and Riches. In the coding process, I made multiple codes to address different areas such as debugging, calibrating the photodetectors to help install the transmitters and receivers inside the bank, and Vinnie Fill, which is the code used to update the operational platform. These files can be found down the left-hand side of the page. Each code is set up with a loop within it directing the software to complete a task, and if this can't be met by the criteria, then to go on to complete the next one. This is used when checking for updates within the capacity. This is the charity's operational logistical platform in which they can receive updated information about the capacity of each bin. User engagement and education plus increased operational efficiencies thanks to technology will redefine charitable clothing donations in Australia. I believe Vinnie, my MDP, will create a significant impact and reduce charities' costs of disposing of poor quality items by 8%. The financial implication of being a saving of more than $1 million annually.